Hi all, myself Vishnu Arsha and my team members Abhinaya and Kritika are here to present a presentation on the topic Bhopal gas tragedy and how would have been prevented it. Bhopal gas tragedy. Bhopal gas tragedy was an industrial accident, chemical pesticides factory run by US company. First gas tragedy. It happened at Union Carbide subsidiary pesticide plant in the city of Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. Gas leak happened in the night time of 2 to 3 am in December of 1984. This gas tragedy was the world's worst industrial disaster. The tragedy was the result of the leak of methyl isocyanate (MIC) gas from the Union Carbide India Limited (UCIL) plant, which manufactured pesticides. The main accused, Warren Anderson, was arrested and released on bail of $2,100 by Madhya Pradesh police. He was flown out of the country in a government place. So here are some pictures of the Bhopal gas disaster. Health hazards for organisms. The immediate cause of death was due to choking, circulatory collapse, and pulmonary edema. Post-mortem reports revealed that people died not only of suffocation but also because the toxins has caused swelling in the brain, leading to disorientation and finally death due to collapse of nervous system. A number of toxins including mercury, lead, dichloromethane and chloroform in the breast milk of nursing mothers. More than 2,000 animals were dead from the effect of gas and were disposed of altogether in the nearby river. The MIC caused somatic variation, birth disorder. This chemical damage to leaves, flowers and fruits of 48 species was visually assessed in 4 localities and results tabulated.
Hi everyone, the next slide of Bhopal gas tragedy prevention slides will be explained by me. It's me Abhinaya. Okay, now let's see the human condition of Bhopal gas tragedy. See that picture. It will show the clear, and due to the Bhopal tragedy, the most of the people lost their life and day-to-day life, and most of the economic properties are lost due to the Bhopal gas tragedy, and millions people's death happened due to the Bhopal gas tragedy, and the ash was spread around that environment. It will affect the sustainability of the environment, and this slide explains the permanent disaster of human life. Due to the Bhopal gas tragedy, the most of the million people affect due to the eye problem and heart problem, and physical challenged people are created due to the pregnancy, and the most of pregnancy ladies are affected by that Bhopal gas tragedy. So see that picture. Each and every persons get affect that one disease, and this slide will explain the uh, cancer hazard and reproductive hazard and after that effect, the most of the people lost their day-to-day life, and due to the pregnancy they are facing so many of problems, and blood related disease, and physical challenged childs are born due to that Bhopal tragedy. The most of the people have lost their life till now. Okay, the next slide will be explained by my teammate Kritika, and she will explain about the Bhopal gas tragedy again, and about the prevention of Bhopal gas tragedy.
We are going to see about the Bhopal gas tragedy. A chemical named MIC methyl isonate was used for producing a pesticides. There were 3 tanks which contained MIC. One of the tanks lost the ability to contain nitrogen gas pressure, hence liquid IMC could not be pumped out of it. Each of the tank could not be filled more than 30 tons of liquid MIC, but this tank has 42 tons of IMC. Now we are going to see about the prevention. They should have checked and implemented the following in a proper way: inadequate maintenance, fault equipment, insult attention to safety in the process design, poor training and lack of emergency response planning led to the tragedy. The safety department of pesticides should have contain a consistent check the plant. The simple safety device called SIP line should have been installed into the pipe to serve a water-tight shield bottle and flow of water. The first one was the gas scrubber, in which the gas should sprayed with a caustic soda to make ender, but it was not working and it was not designed to handle a major gas leak because the Union Cabbage did not want to spend the extra money for it. It has to be working properly. Second, they had a flat tower to burn off a toxic gas, but the pipeline were removed for maintenance. It should also have done properly due to the carelessness led to the tragedy. The last defense were emergency water hoses that sprayed in a water at MIC. The problem with this was the water hoses were undressed and could not reach the point where the MIC gas being released. And then thank you.